Hi, welcome. Today we're unboxing a SUV conversion kit from the company called Vanpackers. We like a road trip, went up to Maine in my Wrangler, slept in the back. It was fine, right?
It was comfortable.
Reasonably comfortable. We had a foam mattress, some bags up on the roll bars. It wasn't terrible, but it wasn't great. So we started looking at RVs, very expensive, hard to park, hard to maintain. Might get there at some point. But we found this company in Canada called Vanpackers. They make conversion kits for minivans, SUVs. So for a nice Christmas discount, they sent us one of their SUV kits. We're going to unbox it today. They also sent us a compressor cooler, which is very cool, and a propane stove. The mattress is on the way. We will unbox that later. And then stay tuned for the entire installation and testing. Exciting. Thanks. All right, this arrived in 3 large boxes. We're going to check out the first box. It's made of 5/8 inch birch, varnished, the UV protection. Vanpackers promises installation in about 5 minutes with no tools. There are some straps included and some adjustable legs to make it fit your SUV. Check their website for specific fitment. All right. Ooh, okay.
Nice.
Oh, all right. What is this?
That
Better not be a tent.
tell you. With tent poles and.
Oh, okay. So we got lots of little pieces here to connect the major bits.
And lots of bolts and nuts and whatnot.
I will say the 5-minute installation will be likely after it has been assembled in your living room.
We will see.
Yeah.
We will find out. But it does look like everything's labeled with letters and numbers to make it easier to install it.
That's cool.
And follow the directions.
Hi, Ellie. We do have a war between the cats and dogs happening in the house, so it gets a little noisy, that's why. You can see how some of the pieces notch in there.
I like the Lego set for the car.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe Lincoln Logs.
Maybe Lincoln Logs, yeah. Alright.
All right.
Oh.
Ooh, okay.
The stove.
The stove, that's cool. I like
I'm
that.
excited about this one.
Yeah,
Yes.
like Christmas.
Disposable propane cylinder, 2 burners, wind guard. Look at this. Foldable.
20,000 BTU. I like it.
Nice. This is
Oh, wow. This bit's already installed or put together. You want to flip this around and I'll lift it out?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So some of it is actually pre-assembled. That's cool.
Yeah, that looks like maybe
Ooh,
the
looks like a
drawer that
That's cool.
that's the drawer that maybe holds the stove.
Yep. Soft closed drawers. Very nice. What do you think, Ellie? Some small pieces in there.
This looks like a lid.
So this piece sits on top and lifts up so you can get to it without opening the drawer where the whole thing comes out. All right, cool.
Number 3. Nice. Vanpackers.
Back in the van.
Back in the van.
All right, let's check this out. Got the Vanpackers logo on there. Ooh. Straps. Ooh. Very nice.
I was at the sink.
Yep.
Nice. Collapsible sink.
Yep.
Ooh, check it out.
Oh, that's cool. Nice and light.
Nice and light. And it
The fact that it
packs
folds
flat.
up almost like a dog bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that. So this is a 15-liter Alpicool Y16 compressor cooler. Fragile. Must be Canadian. Don't cut yourself.
Sorry, that's like your dad joke.
I mean, I'll leave it in the video, but don't cut yourself.
Oh, if I do cut myself, you'll
Yeah.
leave it in the video?
Yeah.
Great, thanks. Appreciate it.
Anything for clicks, right?
Great.
Ooh, that's cool. Measure your fish in inches or centimeters. Right?
Oh, you're right. It is inches. Go.
Control panel. Very cool. This is awesome.
You can plug it into your cigarette lighter
Yep.
or
Funny that we still call it that.
okay.
Oh yeah, so you got both types of plugs. That's
Both
awesome.
types of plugs.
Yep.
So if we take our generator with us, solar generator, we can plug it into that.
Yeah. Very cool. Oh, it's lighter than I thought it was gonna be.
Oh, that is nice.
That's cool. I like that.
Oh, I am psyched about this.
All right, thanks for watching our unboxing video of the Vanpackers SUV kit. Check out the article on Hooniverse. We will be installing it next, so keep an eye out for that. And thanks for watching.